Hi my friends and family. Now we're going to do experiment number 34, which is starting batch. For that, we need only one thermocol ball, one straw, and woolen fabric. That's what we need for this. In this, we need to rub the straw front part to the woolen fabric for about 5 to 7 minutes, and after that put it close to the styrofoam ball, and then you will see that the styrofoam ball or thermocol ball has stick to the straw.
Let's try it. See, the thermocol ball just got stuck on the straw for 3 to 4 seconds. So that's the magic.
Did you saw that? That was amazing. Now let me tell you why it happened. This is because rubbing the straw on the wool makes static electricity, which makes the thermocol ball stick to the straw. That's how magnets work. So stay tuned for my next episodes. Bye.